Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, this is your maths video class and I welcome you all in your maths video class. And as you all know children, we have started chapter number 12 few days back and that is related to the geometry. And we have learned about different shapes. Okay children? And we were doing yesterday our exercise number 12.1. So we will be continuing the same exercise but we have completed 7 questions and today we are going to start with 8th number question. Okay. So children, let's start. Please turn over the page of your maths book, that is 178 number page. You will get this exercise. So children, please take out your book and we are going to start completing this exercise. Okay children? So children, this is question number 8. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay? This is fill in the blanks and we are going to start. First question children. First question is, you can write A. A triangle has dash sides and dash vertex. So children, as we all know, how many sides a triangle has? There are 3 sides and 3 vertex. Okay children, as we have seen. So a triangle has 3 sides. I am just drawing over here. You can see 3 sides and 3 vertex. Vertex means corners. So 3 sides and 3 vertex children. Okay, so completed children. Now B number, a rectangle has dash sides and dash vertex. So here children, a rectangle has, you can see a rectangle. I am drawing over here. You can see children, there are 4 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and opposite side of the rectangle are different. Okay, so this is rectangle shape. So here children, you can see there are 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many vertex are there? You can see there are 4 vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer of this question is 4 vertex and 4 sides. So write down 4 vertex, 4 sides and 4 vertex. Okay. So completed children. Now children, C number, all sides of a are equal. So children, which is the shape having the equal sides and equal vertex? So here only and only square. You can see a square, and if we will see this square, we will see that 4 sides are equal. इसकी चारों sides क्या हैं? वो equal है. Okay. So this is square. So we will write over here square. All sides of a square are equal. स्क्वायर के चारों साइड क्या होते हैं? वो इक्वल होते हैं. ओके, सो राइट इट डाउन. all sides of a square are equal. Okay. Now children, we are going to do D number. Only the opposite sides of a are equal. So children, as we have discussed about a shape that having only the opposite sides of that particular shape are different. So we have discussed about this is rectangle. So children, write it down, rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, this shape is, we have already discussed children. So children, we have completed this. Now E number we are going to do a square. A square has sides and vertex. So children, as you have seen, a square has 4 vertex and 4 sides. Okay. So a square has 4 sides and 4 vertex. And the feature of this square is that each sides are equal. Okay. So this is the quality of a square. So children, we have completed question number 8. Now question number 9 is depend on an activity. Use a piece of paper and by folding it, draw shape which represent a square, a rectangle and a triangle. So this is an activity, you just fold it and draw or make a shape. Okay children. So here children, this question you will do by yourself. Now 10 number, use the following dot paper and draw. Now here children, a triangle, a rectangle and a square. We are going to draw on the dot paper. So we don't have, right now we don't have dot paper, so I will draw on the board the dots and then we will match the dots to dots and make our shape. Okay children. So children, here use the dot paper and draw shapes. Okay, this is the question number 10, and here I am just putting some dots over here, you can see, and with the help of these dots we will make shapes. Okay children. So here children, you can see I am just making dot because we don't have dot paper, so that is why right now. So I am just telling you, I am just giving the demonstration to how to make shapes with the help of dots. Okay children, I think this is enough. So first we will draw a square. Okay, a square. This is a square. Okay children. Now a rectangle we can draw by the help of these dots. Okay. So this is rectangle. Okay. Now we will draw a square. Square we have already drawn. Now children, the shape is given over here, triangle. So how can we draw? It is quite easy for us. So first we will choose one dot, and now here, and now here. Suppose this dot should be there, so we will make a triangle, or we can make the bigger one also. So this is triangle. Okay, triangle. So with the help of these dots, we have drawn few shapes which are given. Okay, now plane and curved surfaces. In previous classes, you have learned about cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere. The part of each of these which you usually see and touch is called its surface. Surfaces are of two kinds, plane and curved. So we are going to learn the plane, which is plane surface and which is curved surface. So here children, we will see. Okay. Now children, let's check the surface of any flat object. Okay, suppose this is a flat object. If we will touch this, this is flat, and this surface is called flat. Okay, so plane, and curved surface. Okay, plane and curved surface, there are two types of the surface. First is plane and second is curved. So this is plane surface. You can see, you can measure it very easily. If you are having a table, and this will be measured very easily because of its plane surface. Okay. Because of this plane surface, you can measure with a scale easily. Okay, we can measure it, and it is easy to put our measurement on that. Okay, so it is called plane surface, but it is quite impossible to measure a ball. Suppose this is ball, this is circle, and if you are going to measure this ball with the help of a scale or ruler, so you can't measure the correct size of this ball because it is curved. The surface of a ball is curved. Okay, so this is called curved. We can't measure exactly the surface of a ball because it is curved. And if we will measure this table, because of this surface is plane, so this is plane surface. So it is quite easy to measure the surface of a plane table. So there is a difference between plane and curved. Curved में थोड़ा सा मेजर करना मुश्किल होता है, एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन नहीं आ पाती है उसकी, एग्जैक्ट उसका मेजरमेंट नहीं हो पाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द कर्व. बट इन प्लेन सरफेस वी कैन मेजर easily. Okay children, so this is called two type of surfaces. Now after discuss this curved and plane surface, we are going to discuss about lines. Okay, so straight and curved lines. Straight and curved lines. जैसा आपने सरफेस देखा वैसे ही लाइन के साथ भी होता है. अगर if I'll draw this surface or this line with the help of this plane surface, so I will draw a straight line. Okay, this is called a straight line. Why this is called a straight line? Because here you can see there are no curve, कोई भी up and down नहीं है, or this surface is plane, so that is why it's quite easy to draw a line simple, straight. So this is called a straight line. ये आपकी straight line है. This is a straight line. Okay, these are the straight lines. Okay, if we will draw the outline of this, now here children you can see children, there is a curve. This is curve line. Okay, so if we will draw inside this or outside of this, so we can able to draw only curved lines, because the surface of this dhakkan or the lid is circle. So that is why we can draw a curved line. So there are two types of line. First is straight line and second is curved line. So I have shown you difference. Okay children. Now just write down. There are two types of lines. First, straight. Okay, first straight and second is curved. Okay, so children, write it down. Now children, after these lines we are going to discuss about open and closed figures. Okay, open and closed figures. Now children, let's start. Open and close figure. Open and closed figures. Okay, so I will show you few figures which are closed. As we have seen, circle is a closed figure. Okay, but I am going to show the shape will be drawn on the board, and you can see there is a closed figure. There is no any way to get inside or go outside this kind of no any gaps are there. So I will draw few shapes that don't have any gaps. This is called closed. Now this is also a closed figure. Okay children. Now circle is a closed figure. Okay. Now rectangle is a closed figure. Okay children. Now children, a cross is also a closed figure. Okay, a closed figure. This is also a closed figure. Now if we will draw Christmas tree, so this is also a closed figure. We can draw this like a closed figure. Okay. So this is also a closed figure. Now our next is, we will draw T. This type of the figure are called closed figure. Now M. M. This is closed figure. Okay. These type of the things are closed figure. Okay children. So complete it children and draw this. These are the closed figure. And they are all closed figure, and if you put a pencil at one point of the figure, so and come back to the same point after tracing the whole figure without lifting the pencil, then the figure is closed. This is called closed figure. If we are हम अपनी एक पेंसिल उठाते हैं और पेंसिल से बस हम ड्रॉ करना ऐसे शुरू करते हैं and there will be no any, we are not putting on our pencil. हम अपनी पेंसिल को उठाते नहीं हैं, बस हम शुरू करते हैं और एक तरफ से शुरू करते हैं और दूसरी तरफ से एंड कर देते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड क्लोज्ड फिगर. ओके, उसमें कहीं पे भी कोई लकुना नहीं होता, कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं होती कि कहीं से आपका पेंसिल उठे. पेंसिल आपने उठाई और आपने बस ड्रॉ करना शुरू किया. दैट इज कॉल्ड क्लोज्ड फिगर. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज हाउ वी कैन मेक क्लोज्ड फिगर. सो वी विल डिस्कस open figure also. Okay children, in our next video. Okay children, so till then, bye bye and take care of yourself and complete your work.